Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to transfer Agoda cash to bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to transfer your Agoda cash to bank account, you just simply have to open your Agoda application at first, and after opening the application, tap into this more button, and from there go to Agoda cash option. And now, if you have earned Agoda cash by using the Agoda application, you will see all of your acquired cash into the top right corner of this Agoda cash section. Now, in order to transfer Agoda cash to bank account, you have to add the payment method into Agoda application first, and after that you will get the option to transfer your money to your bank account directly. And by following those options, you can easily cash out or transfer Agoda cash to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.